Hello everyone, welcome back to Maker Monday. Today we're going to show you our new digital audio workstation for audio recording called Cakewalk. So it's great if you want to record podcasts or make music. What you're going to learn today in this video is how to record using a microphone, how to record using software instruments, how to add audio effects, and then how do you export your project. You also get to listen to a MIDI file downloaded from the internet, and then we'll finish with showing you some keyboard shortcuts.
Hello, welcome to the Just Mankind Public Library presentation. How to use Bandlab, the online component of Cakewalk. First, you'll go to bandlab.com and sign in or create an account. After that, you'll be taken to the profile page shown here. From here, go to the top right and click on Create. A pop-up window will appear. From here, you can click on Instruments, Drum Machine, Voice and Mic, Guitar, Bass, or Import Audio in MIDI. Today, we're going to click on Instruments for the moment. From here, you'll see the virtual keyboard at the bottom. The red circle is your record button. You have File, Edit, View, Settings, and Help in the top menu. When you go down here, you can click on the virtual keyboard with your mouse. You can go to the right, click on Grand Piano, and choose which type of instrument you would like to add. You have a variety of choices from strings, basses, drums, guitars. We're just going to switch it to shadow bells for the moment. We're going to click on Record. And now we're just going to hit a couple of the keys. You'll see that's not being displayed at the moment in the top, but when you hit Stop Record, you can see how you can see that we were able to record, and you can go around here and mess around with the piano roll, extend the notes, move it around a bit more. No problem at all. You can also go back to Instrument by clicking in the tab in the bottom left. Clicking on the plus button, you can add a new instrument. We're going to use a mic this time. You can adjust your gains with the knob or lower the volume on it. In the input section, you can choose where your microphone is located so it knows which channel to record from. Once you're ready, press record. You'll be able to talk into your mic. And when you're done talking, you'll just hit record again. And it'll save your audio on it. From here, we can add another instrument. So we're just going to go with a drum machine. And we're going to choose a couple of random places to put some beats on it. Hit play to preview it. And you can also do a loop if you click on it and import something there. By holding the left mouse button, you can drag your audio around on Bandlabs. You can also adjust the fade by double-clicking on it. We're going to position it, click Save in the top right. You can see how the revision is saved online. Now we'll go to Publish, go down to our library, and we'll be able to download a low, medium, or high-quality MP3 or WAV file. Once that's done, we can store a local copy on our USB or our computer. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jcpublib.org/creative space.